So Prevue is an innovative platform merging virtual tours, video conferencing, and CRM functionalities for the real estate industry. It's pretty straightforward. I'm excited for this demo. I will say before we get in, Joshua started his professional career as a studio engineer working with top pop artists. Joshua, can you drop any names for us today of who you worked for?
Yeah.
Or is this NDA? Is this not okay?
No, it's okay. Like Justin Timberlake, Jay-Z.
No, Justin Timberlake. Wow. Okay. I'm more impressed than I
was a little bit of a
was.
fly in the wall, but
Oh, sure. Well, I'd be a fly on a wall in any room with Justin. So I'm a little jealous. For now, you jump into Prevue and we'll talk about Justin later.
Thanks so much. Well, thanks for having us presenting. We created this tool for the real estate industry. The idea was to create an enhancement tool for how the business is taken care of. We saw that there was a lot of inefficiencies. You try and go look at 10 apartments in New York, it'll probably take you at least 2 weeks until you get landlord access, traffic. And so we created a solution that fits in to the way that you find properties in real estate. So at the end of the day, you go in a website, you click on a link that contacts a broker, the broker contacts you, and then they build a tour. So we kind of cut that step in half where we can link through any CTA directly to schedule a virtual tour. So let's say I found this apartment that I like, apartment AH1. So I go ahead here and schedule a tour. And it's going to show me the agent's availability time slots for this tour. We have it set up on hour intervals. It can be also set up on 30-minute intervals. And if there's co-brokers, all the availabilities show up. So I'm going to pick this time right here. It's going to ask me what features are interested in, which is what the agent would ask when he makes a call. So I want the amenities. I'm interested in storage. Let's say if there's a pool, and I can write any additional information. And I can either sign up with Google, Facebook, or create an account. I'm just going to create a fictitious account very quickly. It doesn't let you create multiple. And I go ahead and I schedule a tour. So then that sends an email directly to the clients and the brokers. I'm going to sign in as a broker to get on the tour. Here's where the tour shows up. I'm just going to edit it real quick just to change the time so we can go in. And also creating a tour, you can do in a matter of 30 seconds. So it's going to ask to allow the video. I'm just going to mute so we don't get feedback. And here we are. So there's a platform. I can add a guest in real time. So let's say I want to invite my wife to check out this apartment or this tour. If it's linked to a building, it will automatically show either if you select 2 bedrooms, all the 2 bedrooms available, or if you want, all the availabilities will show up on the tour. Turn on off microphone and camera. I can highlight apartment details. I can highlight property amenities. I can highlight building amenities, downloadable marketing collateral in real time. And also we're working on a feature where you can present any marketing collateral in the tour. And once somebody else joins, the note-taking tool gets activated. And a really cool feature, which is I can switch between multiple properties instantly. and all the features of Matterport work. And also, which is very cool, which I'll show you because I'm running out of time here, is the CRM function, where you can have your dashboard with all your next tours or previous tours. You can also filter and find tours, create appointments, new clients. Also, I can have all my client database stored. So if I want to create new tours, it's very easy access, add new clients. And the same thing for brokers, where I can manage broker teams to give access to properties, co-listings, and whatnot, and add brokers. And I can also customize logo, primary, secondary, and title colors to make it seamless integration with any branding. So I think I'm almost done.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you, Joshua. Right on time. I'm so proud of all of our presenters today. Nobody has had to force me to cut them off, so I appreciate that. Reminder, put your questions in the Q&A tab. You answered my main question about customization. So like you said, instead of seeing Prevue's logo throughout these dashboards and the meetings, you can easily customize that to any broker or agent's custom logos or images or whatever they choose, correct?
Yes, for us, it was very important to maintain brokers, broker teams, brokerages, or even buildings, marketing collateral, especially because they spend so much money on branding and marketing. So in this way, when you click on the link for the call to action, it's going to look exactly like either the broker team or the brokerage or the building itself's branding. So the end client's really not going to know he's left a platform to enter ours.
Sure. Okay, great. And then how does a client access your solution? Say I'm a broker or an agent and I've got lots of clients. Do I send them a link, or how does that work exactly?
This tool automatically accesses calendars. So it links with your calendar, and it'll send a link. Let's say if you use a phone or iCal or whatnot, and it gets scheduled right away. So
Awesome.
It pops up, and you get reminders 2 days before the tour, and if it's the same day that you schedule the tour, an hour before the tour.
Oh, that's helpful. We all have such busy lives, and it's hard to remember everywhere you're supposed to be all the time. So I'm sure those reminders come in handy. Awesome. Well, Joshua, thank you so much for sharing Prevue with us today.